Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change your Facebook region settings. If you are using Facebook and now you want to change your region settings, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here go to your profile. In profile, tap on edit profile, and here scroll down and you will get the edit your about info, tap on it, and here you will get places live. You just have to add your current city and homework. You just have to add current city, and here just enter the city. As I'm going to enter this one, so just enter it, and then you just have to tap on save. That's how you can easily change your region on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.